Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be making my hair while I talk about what I've been up to, like how life has been. To braid my hair, I apply my leave-in conditioner just to soften my hair a bit. So how have you guys been? My last long form video here was about my fibroid journey, and I'm so thankful for the engagements I got on that video. Thank you so much. It was so nice reading from you guys. I hope that every single person going through fibroid overcome, get their surgery done, and live a healthy life. Meanwhile, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do it to hit the subscribe button. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all.
It's the same trap.
Peggy, myself clear.
Jesus.
What, how many languages do I have to say for you to understand?
You
can't just give up on this. Remember all the good memories we shared?
Your head is not heavy.
Anyways, I was really enjoying the movie I was watching. So I've come to realize that a whole lot of people are going through a lot. Like, people are dealing with a lot during this period. I lost a loved one of my in-laws, and I got so overwhelmed I almost gave up on everything, which is how I feel anytime I hear about the loss of anyone at all. Like, it just brings back so many memories, and life has just been somehow, like, there's been up, down. I've been happy, sad, happy again, sad again, and all of that. But all in all, I give thanks to God. At least I'm still here. We are still here. We are breathing. So I just want to encourage you that is watching this video. I just want to let you know that whatever it may be, it's going to pass. Like, it's just for a while. I know we all worry about how far we've come, how we are not doing so well. For instance, I'm not doing well on any platform. Like, all my videos and don't convert, they're not getting the reach that I desire for them to get, even though I put in a whole lot of work. And I feel like this is the case for so many creators, so many business people. So I just want to encourage you and tell you that it's going to be fine. Go back to the drawing board, which is something I do most times. Go back to the drawing board, re-strategize and all, because for me, I feel like I've been doing the same thing for too long, and I feel people are bored. That's why they are not watching my content, even though it feels like there are some people that put out the same form of content and they still get engagement. But then again, we are not all the same, and I'm still growing. I'm still building my brand. So I would say just be thankful for where you are at the moment, because you're currently living your answered prayers, which is something I usually tell people. Endeavor to re-strategize and get better at your crafts. I feel that helps. I also go back to watch my videos, and in all honesty, I feel like I'm doing great. I tell myself I am doing great, and one day I'm going to get the results that I desire. While I wait, I'll pray and keep learning, unlearning, and relearning until I get to the level I want to attain. And even at that, we all know, even when we get to that point where we so wish for and pray for, we are still going to want more, because we humans are insatiable. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, just take a step back, relax, clear your head, let go of everything that is making you feel overwhelmed. Like what I did, I went off social media for a while, not completely, but it actually did help because I stopped posting and I dropped some jobs because the jobs I was doing it became way too much, so I had to just drop some. Like, you know, that case where you feel like, oh, this money, I need this money, but then you're not happy doing it. So I just had to tell myself it is time to let go of the jobs that stress me too much because I was doing too much at the same time, and it actually did help me. I really hope this helps someone, and I pray we all smile at the end of the day. What do you guys think about this hairstyle? Do you love it? I really love the outcome. I love the result. I made use of 2 packs of this Afro Kinky, and I really love the result I got from this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.